Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amy or Amy Louise. Today we are opening up a fresh Look Fantastic monthly subscription box. I get this every month and I always look forward to it, so let's open it up, see what we've got. Okay, so we've got a navy blue box this month. No special decoration or anything like that. In the darkness be the light. Very cute. So we have our edit, which it is one sheet of paper today. All the colours of the Lights Beauty Box edit. The edit November online now, featuring exclusive hints, tips, product insights, ingredients and special sneak peeks. Okay, so these are trying to reduce like paper and stuff. So this is what it's all looking like. It all looks very purple, which I do not have a problem with because I love purple. Okay, so the first thing I am pulling out is the Mini Macron made in Korea moisturizing foot mask with lavender oil. It is, you know, like the little socks that you put your feet in and kind of tape around your ankle. Okay, I do have a few different foot masks. I like them, like stick them on. Really nice big thick fluffy pair of like bed socks over the top. Chill out for, I don't know, however long it takes. Usually it's like 20 minutes. This one is 15. Take them off. Your feet feel great afterwards. Next we have the Comfort Zone Renate Cream Nourishing Vitamin Cream Night. So this says face cream with goji berry, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid and macadamia oil for an intensive nighttime antioxidant action. The skin appears regenerated and nourished. Apply in the evening on its own or after applying oil on face, neck and decolletage, then massage in until completely absorbed. Let's have a quick look at the ingredients. So we have water, glycerin, caprylic acid, triglyceride. Oh, what does that say? Oleifera seed oil. I've never heard of that. Okay. Glycerol, macadamia seed oil, capryl. Okay. So we've got butters in here, shea butter, lithium barbabrium seed oil. Okay, so I'm looking at the ingredients. There's a lot that I'm not 100% familiar with, but there is some really good ingredients in here. I like it. I will pop it with the rest of my skincare and I will use it at some point. Next we have the Molten Brown London Relaxing Ylang Bath and Shower Gel. Okay, I actually need a new shower gel. I used my last bubble bath last night and I just used shower gel instead of bubble bath when I don't have any. It's basically the same thing, right? Anyway, so this is London via the Comoros Islands. Creamy white, soft, secluded sands, the air heady with a scent of sweet evening flowers. A hammock swaying between two palms, fall into a deep slumber on the perfume aisles. Rich, relaxing and hypnotic. Okay, I don't really have much to say about this. I'll give it a go. I do tend to sometimes get like sensitive skin, depending on the bubble bath shower cream that I use. I know I can't use Redox. Ever since I was pregnant, I was fine, and then I got pregnant and then I tried to get a bath with Redox. I just came out in hives everywhere. So, you know. Oh my god, what is this? This is the tiniest little pencil. This looks like a pencil that you've had for a while and you need to start to bin it, to be honest. This is the Diego Dalla Palma water resistant eyebrow pencil. Okay, I'm not mad. I've already done my brows though, so I'm gonna not be able to test this out, but oh, it's hard. Okay, Right, I'm really going in on my hand. There's not really much there. It's hard. I like a creamier, waxier pencil, but this wouldn't be bad to go through the brow with this and then go in with my pen, so that I've got two different, like, I've got definition or like differentials between the shades. It'd work as like a shadow, but I wouldn't do my full brow with that, honestly. Next we have the Pry Ageless Throat and Decolletage Cream. Okay, cute little mini, but it really does not have much information on here. Apply a pea-sized amount in smooth upward strokes from cleavage to chin. Follow with the Ageless Throat and Decolletage Night Cream in the evening. Do not over massage. It's your throat, you shouldn't. Anyway, I cannot see these ingredients. They're tiny. Water, glycerin, shea butter, dimethicone. Honestly, the more I'm looking at this, this just looks like a regular moisturizer. There's nothing that I can see that's like insane. This is perfect. Like, this is so, like, just use your moisturizer on your neck, in your chest. You don't need a dedicated cream for it, just use a moisturizer. Yeah, you've got dimethicone, squalid, aloe. There's nothing in here that's like groundbreaking or anything like that. It is just a moisturizer. You don't have to just use this on your neck and your chest, you can use it on your face. It annoys me that brands do this. It's not specifically made for your neck and chest. It's a moisturizer and they've decided to label it as a decolletage cream. Don't stress, it's just a moisturizer. And the last thing we have in here is the Balance Me BHA Exfoliating Concentrate. I am happy. I love a BHA, a PHA, a AHA. I love them all. Give me all the chemical exfoliants that you can find. So this is our Salicylic Acid Rich Concentrate. It's a leave-on chemical exfoliant created to help gently remove dead skin cells, reduce blemishes. Why can I not talk today? Let's try that again. Our Salicylic Acid Rich Concentrate is a leave-on chemical exfoliant created to help gently remove dead skin cells, reduce blemishes, remove blemishes, target enlarged pores, and improve hydration to reveal a softer, brighter, more youthful looking complexion. Apply to a beauty pad, gently wipe over cleansed dry skin, avoiding the delicate eye area, no rinsing. So I don't see ingredients on here, but basically this is a chemical exfoliant. You put it on your skin and you leave it and it will exfoliate your skin, rather than having like an exfoliator where it's like got bits in it. This is chemical, so it's gentler on the skin, but they're generally more powerful than a physical exfoliant, which is what most people are used to. I love them. Think the ordinary what's it called, BHA AHA solution, peeling solution, that is a chemical exfoliator. Glycolic acid is a chemical exfoliator. Salicylic acid, which is this, is a chemical exfoliator. I love them. I feel like they're the best way to exfoliate your skin. I love them. I cannot wait to give this one a go. I just love exfoliation. I do not like over exfoliation. You do got to be careful you don't go too far and damage your skin barrier, but chemical exfoliation over physical exfoliation any day of the week. I love it. That is all that's in this box. I'm not going to go and read through the card today. I'm in a little bit of a rush. I've got to do the school run and then go straight to work. But I think that you've got enough information from all the products. So so far. Anyway, let me know what you think down below. Did you get this box? Did you get the same things? Do you love them? Have you tried chemical exfoliators before? Because if you haven't, please try them. They are incredible. Anyway, so I will see you on the next video, and bye.